Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Boxycharm. Okay. You know the deal. We're gonna start off with the base. The theme of the month is Be My Glammin' Time. Now, the first product is actually the choice product I chose. This is the Saturday Skin, a buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus combined with targeted ingredients such as the active vital complex and niacinamide. This eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. Nice. This is definitely gonna be my rotation. If you guys hear any background noise, my kids are home, so if it's loud, that is why. As usual, I add all the prices below. $32. Next item is the OPV Beauty Loose Setting Powder. $22. Perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone. Whether you rely on setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse, this formula acts as a finishing touch to bring your whole look together. Okay. Is it sealed? Yeah, it's sealed. I would have touched it, but because it's sealed, I don't feel like fighting with the seal, the sticker, to explain the texture to you guys. Anyways, that was $22. Now the Contact Skin Matte Lipstick retails for $20. This is antioxidants and botanical oils provide nutrients that condition and protect skin from free radical damage. Lips are left supple and moisturized with a velvety matte finish. This creamy formula glides on and pampers lips with intense hydration. Provides a full coverage, rich, denim matte look without the dryness. See the color. Okay, I love the bullet. Okay, it's like a dark nude. Okay, good vibe with this. This is in the shade Tears Are Falling. Okay. That was $20. Okay, Alley Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. An award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, blush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fibers. Retails for $28. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, hang on, and 4. Okay, I mean, I hate double-ended brushes for storing purposes, but for travel, I could see this coming in handy. Taking a Blestrum because it's 4 brushes in one. Again, $28. Now the last item is a Volleyball pineapple lip scrub. I actually don't own any lip scrubs, so I'm happy I get to try one out now. Anyways, this retails for $23. This rich indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugar cane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an ultra smoothing blend of the finest botanicals. This super hydrating coconut oil and aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple. Okay. Okay, that was the last item in the base box. Now, the premium. Same theme. First item is, I actually already own this palette, so I do not want to open it because I'm going to save this for a future giveaway. So stay tuned. I don't know when I'm going to do the giveaway, but I'm going to do a giveaway. But if you guys want to see inside this palette, just quickly Google search. It's actually on sale right now, Sephora, for like half the price. I think $33 or something. But again, very, very, very beautiful palette. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. Take your look to infinity and beyond with 18 cosmetic shades with both bold and neutral shades. This palette delivers infinite possibilities. Again, yeah, $67. I was right. It says 66, but yeah, 67. Next item. This is the item I chose. Some Ology. This is Ology Rose Quartz Gouache Facial Massager. Retails for $45. Those are all the different things you can do too. And it helps the like lymphatic drainage and, you know, helps sculpt the face and everything. I love that it comes with its own little case. Here's the gouache. So, you know, you kind of like that. You go like that, like, you know. I never owned one. I'm excited to use it. Again, I chose this item, so I forgot what the other choice item was, but I'm happy I got this. More than a luxurious end to multitasking set. Start it over. More than a luxurious end to a masking sesh. This gouache boosts skin's radiance, firms and smooths skin, reduces fine lines, and stimulates blood circulation. Nice. Again, retails for $45. The next one is the... Every time I see this, I want to say Christopher Robin, but it's not. It's called Christoph Robin. It's the volume mist with rose water. Retails for $39. This mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold. Using a delicate rosebud infused formula with bohab leaf extract and oligo element. I promise you guys I can read. From seawater, this mist helps enhance hair texture and provides a lift at the root for a long-lasting volumized look. Okay, $39. I mean, okay, I have to check the ingredients to make sure there's no sulfates or silicones because I do not use those ingredients on my curly hair. And if there is, it'll get passed on to my mom because she doesn't mind. Next item is called Vike Beauty Makeup Melt. Okay. A makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin at the removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. Retails for $24. Okay, something feels like it's leaking. Was it this? I don't know, this feels wet. I mean, it smells good. Next. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one. Okay. This is Moonlight Makeup Primer for the Night. An eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy vibrant, lasting color wherever your adventures lead. This retails for $18. So an eyeshadow primer. Okay. Last item. This is from Omaha Beauty Badass MF Lip Liner. You can fill in the blanks. Shave and fill in your lips to add definition and structure with these highly pigmented, silky, smooth lip liners designed to be worn with your favorite lipstick shade. Let's see if it goes well with the lip color that came in the base box. No, it's lighter. This is definitely a everyday, like nudie, pink, brownish color. So I actually love. Matter of fact, they don't look bad together. Okay, hazel lip liner anyway. It's nice and creamy. Not too creamy like it's gonna slide off the face, but it's nice. Again, I hope you enjoyed and have a good one. Bye.